Wheel life, is this wheel life? We's at the new crib, the old crib. There it is. Gotta give back the Segway. The old view on the highway towards the west. The old casa. It's pretty dope. Let me show you. This red table is where I started my invention. I cut out the wall you see behind me, and I made a table. This one I had prefab made by the carpenter. It's like a 12-seater, but then it was too big to carry inside the elevator, so they had to carry it up the stairs, 15 floors. Pretty messed up. Kinda miss this place, but I kinda don't. I love my new house as well. And now you know how I used to do it, buddy. We just spent an hour and a half, 2 hours waiting. I called WheelLife like, I guess, hour ago to check if the driver hadn't already passed by to pick up my Segway, because I was like 10 minutes late. And she said no, it's still open. So like half hour past the appointment time, I call again, and then she says, oh no, he already passed by. WheelLife, you suck! Been standing in the cold for like half an hour, 2.5 hours. I don't know anymore, man. I'm angry, and you guys' organization sucks. But everybody's complaining about WheelLife. You guys need some serious rebranding and rethinking what you are doing, because you're supposed to help people, but you're failing miserably. Wasn't successful with giving back the Segway to WheelLife. I'm super sick. Should have called in sick this morning and not went. But you live and you learn. Or you don't, and then you die. It's real life. Checking out. Wheel life, is this wheel life?